Imagine an organization where administrator accounts have unrestricted access to critical systems. Who protects those powerful accounts? And what happens if one of them becomes compromised? Welcome to the packet journey. In this video, we're going to understand what privileged access management or PAM is and why it's important in cybersecurity. Let's get started. Not all user accounts are the same. Some accounts have elevated privileges. They may be able to manage servers, modify security settings, access sensitive systems, or perform administrative tasks. These are known as privileged accounts. Because these accounts have extensive access, they become attractive targets for attackers. If a privileged account is compromised, the impact can be significant. This is where PAM comes in. PAM stands for Privileged Access Management. It's a set of processes and technologies designed to secure, monitor, and control privileged access. Organizations use PAM solutions to help ensure that administrative access is granted only when necessary. Access can be monitored, recorded, and restricted according to security policies. For example, an administrator may require temporary access to perform maintenance on a server. Instead of having permanent elevated privileges, access may be granted only for a specific period of time. PAM also helps organizations improve accountability. If privileged actions are monitored and logged, it's easier to determine who performs specific activities and when. You can think of privileged accounts like master keys within a building. Because those keys open important areas, they must be carefully protected and tracked. Not everyone should have access to them. So, in summary, PAM helps organizations secure and manage privileged accounts. By controlling administrative access, organizations reduce risk and improve visibility into critical activities. In the next video, we'll understand what a collision domain is and explore how modern networks handle traffic efficiently. If you found this explanation useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the Packet Journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Packet Journey.